If our video helped you out, you can subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button and hit on the bell notification so that you can catch our latest guide or tutorial from us.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you on setting MT4 Affinity for better performance in Windows Server. Whether you want to squeak out some extra Windows Server performance on your multi-core processor or run older programs flawlessly, you can set programs to run on certain cores in your processor. In certain situations this process can dramatically speed up your computer's performance. Just about any computer you might use today will have more than one core in its CPU. Did you know that having more cores is not always the best option for programs running in your machine? This especially affects older programs that are designed to run on a single core or dual core. Programs such as these may be greatly improved in performance by telling it to run on a single core. Even some newer applications just were not made to be run on multiple cores. Unfortunately, the program will attempt to use all cores on your CPU. So, if you have a quad core, the program will be split across all 4 cores. You might be playing an old video game or using a very old program that runs glitchy or crashes a lot. This is the circumstance. Setting the application to run on one core can solve that issue. We can also use this same ability to make our computer run more efficiently as a whole. It is not always just a troubleshooting type of task, but it is one that can help your computer in the long run. For example, your antivirus probably takes up a lot of power across all your cores, especially when you run a scan of your entire computer. This can be noticeable as your computer slows down to a halt, and prevents other applications from running well while your antivirus is sucking up the juice from all your cores. This is an excellent opportunity to try setting the antivirus to just run on one core. This will isolate the process and leave the other cores free to do something else. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Obviously, applications and programs designed to use multiple cores will perform less well by locking it to one core. We have 2 ways to set a program's affinity. Each time it is opened we can set it, or we can set it to automatically run an affinity each time it is opened. Set affinity on a program manually. This sets the affinity of a program for a single time. If you close it and reopen it, you will have to set it again. This is an excellent way to test if isolating one core will improve your experience. 1. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del to bring up Windows Task Manager, and navigate to Processes tab. 2. Find the program on which you want to set affinity. Right-click it, and select Set Affinity. 3. Uncheck now, simply check off the core you want this specific program to run on. CPU 0 is actually core 1, as many things in computers start with 0 instead of 1. In this screenshot, I have cores, CPU 0, CPU 1, CPU 2, CPU 3. 4. Click OK, and you are done. Set affinity on a program automatically. This process makes it so each time you launch a program, it will always be run on the CPU core that you have chosen. 1. Find the shortcut icon for the program you want to set affinity on, right-click, and select Properties. Navigate to the Shortcut tab. 2. In the Target field, you will need to append a string before the current target path. Replace corresponding values with your program's name. C:\system32\cmd.exe/c start program name /hi/affinity1. In my case, I am using after prime MT4. The line I am appending would read as follows. C:\system32\cmd.exe/c start after prime MT4/hi/affinity1. Where you see affinity1 is the core to run the program on. To contrast with the previous method, this time the cores actually do start on their numbered value but the numbers are in hex. See the following for a listing of the core values. Core 1 is 1. Core 2 is 2. Core 3 is 4. Core 4 is 8. Core 5 is 10. Core 6 is 20. We can also set the priority to low, normal, high where we have selected high in our example. 3. Once you have this string constructed, paste it to the beginning of the target path right before the path to the .exe. My entire target string looked like this. C:/Windows/System32/cmd.exe/c start after prime MT4/high/affinity1 C:/program files x86 /after prime MT4 meta editor.exe. Both of these default command will be on the description below. You can copy and amend it accordingly. 4. Once you have put in your string, click Apply on the Properties window. If asked for admin permission, simply click Continue, and then hit OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more contents like this.